What must the loser do?
I asked you.
Oh.
If you're gonna say, you will say, you're gonna say like we're gonna say Somalia is better or South Africa is better. I'm not gonna take that challenge because Somalia is already better. I know.
Bro, if you lose, you admit, bro. You admit. There's a reason why you are in South Africa, bro. Why did you leave Somalia and come to South Africa, bro? There's a reason for that.
I will answer you that later. You cannot go to Somalia and leave, but I can come to South Africa and leave. That means I'm more braver than you. I can leave both countries, but you can leave only one country.
If I lose, I'll go to Somalia for 1 week. If I lose, I'll go to Somalia for 1 week.
Do you think Somalia you gonna eat bread and butter? Then you gonna
I don't know what. I don't know what I'm gonna eat there, bro.
You gonna eat bullet there.
I'm gonna eat bullet.
You gonna eat bullet there. You don't eat bread there. You can't live in Somalia. Only brave people can live there. Okay. Anyway, what is the challenge you're gonna do?
Bro, let's decide after the match. We decide after.
Okay, if you win, I will do whatever you ask me. And if I win, I will ask you whatever I want. That deal.
Okay, but nothing too extreme.
No problem. Nothing disrespecting, but anyway, I will challenge you what I want. Bismillah, bismillah, I will send the game, ne? I will send the game. Bismillah, bismillah.
You see, guys?
Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
May the best country win, guys. May the best country win.
Ilahi, Rabbi, Rahman, Rahim.
Roses only, and guys,
one game done why? One game done why? Hal game bus why? Barejan nai hal game why? One game done why? One game done why? Challenge to imaado arkaysin just one game done why, guys. Bismillah. Waxaan bisinka lagu bilaabo baraka malahan bisinka noo qabta. 11 kun ay marayaan bisinka noo qabta dib malahan. Bisinka noo qabta. Tirada ay marayaan inaan fiiriyo miima ama oo tiradeeda fiirana bisinka noo qabta. Ogaada halkaas game lagu kala badinaa. Dhowr dowladoodana la ciyaarayna hal wadan kaliya ma ahan. Hal wadan kaliya ma ahan. Inta naga horeeya oo u jeedin mar walba inta naga horeeya naga daba geeyo. Inta naga horeeya mar walba naga daba geeyo. Gabdhaha ciyaaraha wiilasha ciyaaraha ma idin kala qaadaay. Kulligiin hadhow idin moodo mahad celina. Ma idin kala qaadi kara hadda. Bismillah. Ilaahu nagu guulay Rabbi Rahmaan Rahiim. Shukulaatiin waa mahadsantahay baan. Ilaahu nagu guulay. Intaas aad bas. Wow. Allahu Akbar. Waa mahadsantiin. Abaalkiina janna Allah ka dhigo. Alhamdulillah. Mahado idil Ilaahay u sugnaatay. Codka oo fara dhigeysta marka.
Guys, I'm literally shaking right now, bro. Guys, look what we did. Look what we did, bro. No speedy, bro. No speedy, bro.
qayladiisa ku raaxaysta marka.
Look what we did, guys.
Neef la qala maxaa ku sugaysa ade? Qosol ma ku sugaysa mise qayla ku sugaysa neef la qala?
Guys, honestly, we did amazing, bro. I don't give a F what anybody says, bro. Guys, we did amazing, bro. Guys, we did the absolute most, guys. And listen, I appreciate you guys, bro. Guys, everybody here, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We lost by this little, bro. We lost by this little, bro. It's nothing. It's nothing, bro. This is nothing, bro. This little is nothing. Thank you, Musculite. Everybody who needs to team. Vince.
Wallahi no way waxyara u dhiman karo.
Bro.
Kan hada real life
Mel. Suzy, Backbench, Sean, Jacqueline, Katie, Boosted, Brain. Everybody, bro.
MashaAllah. Mahado idil Ilaahay u sugnaatay. Ilaahu dadkeena jecel dhahdig.
Guys, let me tell you, bro, we can be proud of what we did here, bro. Guys, we can be proud of what we did here, bro. I just want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. We could have taken this one. We could have taken this one. We were this close. We were this close. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. When I told you guys that this will be the biggest match on TikTok tonight, what did I tell you, bro? This was the biggest match on TikTok tonight. And thank you, everybody, for making that happen, bro. To Nix, I appreciate you, my homie. Jordine, you are absolute queen. Thank you so much. Vince, bro. Thank you, my brother. Vince, you are a legend, bro. Thank you for coming.
والله بالله قفك الصومالي كده معي. مستحيل you done.
Arush, great match, my brother.
That was a great match, Mustahil. I just want to thank you first, and I want to thank all your followers and your people from South Africa. I won't mention, I won't say girls and boys, but I will say everyone in South Africa that was proud of you and that supported you, and whoever wanted to win, whoever wanted you to win, I'm giving a greetings to them. We are in the best month. We are in the best month of the calendar. We are in fasting. I just said I will win. I had that hope, and I thank to God, and I thank to my people also.
Bro, you won by this much, bro. You won by this much. Let me tell you, bro. One interstellar and you would have been done for, my brother. One interstellar, you would have lost, my brother. But well done to you and your team. Well done to you and your team, my brother. That's what I can say. Well done, and God bless you, my brother. Well done on your victory, bro.
Master Ian, should I tell you one thing?
I'm listening. What's up?
Okay. We said whoever win will come up with a challenge, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
My people and our elders, the best thing they teach us is forgive the person. I wanted to tell you, go stand there and do squats, like go up and down. But I will tell you, your challenge is forgiven, brother. And that's I learned from my people. Why are we the best in Africa, in the world? We always forgive people. Especially when we can challenge a person, we just forgive. You're forgiven.
Listen, Arush, my brother. Bro, I want to say, all of us here, bro, we have no hate against Somalia and its people. We have no hate against Somalia. From our side, it's all love to Somalia. Okay? We love Somalia. We don't hate you guys. And this was sorted out here tonight. We finished it here tonight. It's finished from here on out. You won. Well done, my brother. Congratulations. But from here on, I don't want to see any more beef, any more hate. Because on my TikTok, bro, in my life, my goal in life is to spread love, bro. Not hate. So no more hate from outside.
I will tell you one thing, Mr. Ian. Whoever didn't know you before you challenged me, and that does now know you because we challenged, they will always give you love. My people, they give love. There's a few people who just write bad comment, but they don't really mean it. So I love South Africa. I love everybody here. I love my people. I love everyone in the world. But when it comes to challenge, I always take my people and my country. It was all good. God bless you. We play again, brother.
Brother, I don't know if we will play again, but let me tell you, I'm not scared, bro. I can beat you, bro. I'm telling you, I can beat you.
In your dream, you will. If you sleep and you dream,
this guy wants to start beef again.
it's not about living. I'm just going to be honest with you. Just take your blanket, right? Take your blanket and your pillow. Try to sleep. You beat me in your dream. Then you win. We are
guy, bro. Arush, you won me by like what? 7,000 coins.
That 7,000 was not mine, was not yours. That 7,000 was from Somalia. That was
bro, I'm sure you got doubles. I'm sure you got doubles in your match. You got the doubles. I got no doubles. I got no doubles. My score was no doubles.
Oh, okay. Good for you.
So imagine we got the doubles. Imagine we got the doubles.
What about when you getting double, I will get triple.
Yeah, that's
a lion. A win is a win. A win is a win. You must admit I won. You must just admit I won. Win is a win, brother, man.
You won, my brother. Congratulations. You did win. Congratulations, brother.
So next time, you can beat me by dream, ne? All the best, man. All the best. You will call each other all the best, brother, man.
Sharp, Arush.
Sharp. MashaAllah, tabarakallah.